In a world increasingly driven by technology and artificial challenges, how can beauty queen like you use your platform to ensure humanity remains at the heart of focus? Again, in a world increasingly driven by technology and artificial challenges, how can beauty queens like you use your platform to ensure humanity remains at the heart of focus?
Thank you so much for that very wonderful question. It is undeniable fact that here in this world, and most especially in the digital era, where artificial beauty is also created and established by the scientists, I believe that as a beauty queen, our role is to become a role model, a representation, and a reminder for every single individual that beauty is not about our physicalities, but sometimes beauty dig deeper on our personalities. Because at the end of the day, we can never deny the fact, most of us, we are insecure of how we look. We are insecure of what we have seen on others. Naiinggit tayo sa nakikita natin sa ibang tao. Nais nating makamtan ang nakamtan ng ibang tao. At hindi natin may pagkakila na sa modernong panahon na may teknolohiya at artificial intelligence, kayang-kaya na natin ma-achieve ang ganda na ninanais natin. But at the end of the day, we should never go far from the reality. That yes, it is okay to achieve the beauty that you want to have. It is okay to achieve what you wanted to be and who you wanted to be. As long as you are not changing your characteristics, your values, your virtues, and your personality. Dahil kahit kailan, wala nang mas magaganda pa o wala nang mas hihigit pa sa kagandahan ng ating kalooban na kailanman ay hindi mapapantayan ng teknolohiya, gawa man ng mga inbensyon. Sa mundong ibabaw, marahil maraming tao ang nais makamtan ng mga bagay na nakikita nila. Ngunit lagi nating tatandaan ang kabutihan na meron tayo sa ating kalooban, ang pakikipagkapwa-tao, at ang pagmamahal na handa nating ibahagi sa ibang tao ay ang bagay na magpapaganda sa akin, hindi na kailangan ng teknolohiya o inbensyon ng siyensya. Kaya naman sa mga taong nakikinig sa akin at sa mga taong nanonood ngayon, bilang isang kandidata at bilang isang beauty queen, I would like to use this platform in order for me to educate and to remind each and every one that beauty goes beyond and transcends the physical attribute of a person, because what truly makes a person beautiful is the goodness of her heart and the golden of her action. Thank you so much.